All right, welcome to my organized chaos. So it's a mess. I got some brushes under the car. I was cleaning the engine bay. I got my Type R transmission over there. But let's cut to the chase. So I've been rebuilding my 97 spec ITR trans. I bought a Integra rebuild kit. It was pretty expensive. A bunch of other stuff. Spent about $1,000 on it. And once I got to the countershaft bearing right here in the casing, a lot of people online said that you need a special tool to remove it, this and that. Some people were suggesting to break the cage, take the bearings out, and then from the inside of the outer race, just pop it out of the casing, flick it out. Well, I did that with my expensive Integra Type R transmission, and I cracked the oil guide plate, and you can see the crack right there. I cracked it and I chipped it. There's the crack. I don't want to mess with it too much because it's very brittle plastic. It'll just crumble. And then that's the chip. So this is actually a spare transmission I have. I've had this transmission for many years. It's sat outside for a couple years. But I used it for a long time in my Integra before I put a GSR trans in there. Anyways, so today I'm going to be showing you, today I'm going to have to scavenge this oil guide plate for my Type R trans, because it's spending all this money. I'm doing all this, I'm doing all that. I'm not using this transmission. Today we could use it for parts. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put myself on the tripod and everything over here, and then I'll show you how to do it. I found my own way. So from O'Reilly's, you're going to have to get the pilot bearing puller. That's the part number. And you're going to need to get yourself a slide hammer. And then this is the tool here. But I'm going to transition to tripod. So I'll be back. All right, let's get to it. So you're going to attach this to your slide hammer, spin it all the way down, and then you're going to spin this till this head comes out. You're going to kink one of these all the way to one side. You're going to keep one kind of straight as you can. And then you're going to, hopefully the camera's picking this up, put this under one of the bearings. I'll do this one, and just like that. And then you do it to the other side, just like that. Taking this out successfully. I probably wouldn't reuse this bearing right here. And then we got this guy out. This is the new one. I'm gonna just put this one in this casing now, just because I know I'm gonna keep it on the side. I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with this transmission later. But that's how you take this out. That's on the B series. I really hope this video helps somebody out. They don't make this part anymore, so I was kind of SOL. But luckily I had a spare transmission to take it out of. Anyways, God bless you guys, and thanks for watching.